The finalists for the 2008 PROSE Award for Excellence in Physical Sciences and Mathematics are Cathedrals of Science, Oxford University Press. The Solar System Beyond Neptune, the University of Arizona Press. Worlds Before Adam, The Reconstruction of Geohistory in the Age of Reform, University of Chicago Press. Springer Handbook of Robotics, Springer Science and Business Media. Sacred Mathematics, Japanese Temple Geometry, Princeton University Press. And the winner.
All right, once again, the 2008 PROSE Award winner for Excellence in Physical Science and Mathematics goes to Springer Science and Business Media for the Springer Handbook of Robotics by Professors Bruno Siciliano and Khatib. Fantastic. Congratulations.
Let's get these out of your way.